The objective of this lesson is to learn how to copy-paste a format from one cell to the other. So I'm going to teach you a couple of techniques. The first one, you might know it, but the second one is less known to Excel users. So let's start. Assume you have some data here, and I want to copy the format of Boston to some other cells. So what I could do is go under Home. There is this brush here, the Format Painter. You just click on it, and then you can just select the cells you want to copy the format to. And as you can see, the format is copied. Now, what if I want to copy the format of Boston to cookies, carrot, 51, 1.35? So different data points in different places in the Excel sheet. So obviously I can use the same methodology I showed you, but it's very cumbersome to every time you have to click on the format painter. So you select Boston, you click on the format painter, then you click on cookies, then another time, then on carrot, and so on. So what you could do is very simple. You click on Boston, you select the format painter, but instead of clicking one time, you double click on it. So I double click on it, and then wherever I click on the Excel sheet, the format will get applied to those cells. So I can even select a range, and the same thing would happen. Now, how to stop the format painter? You just have to press escape on your keyboard, and then whenever you click somewhere, the format will not go from one place to the other.